Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. And if you're so inclined and have just a second, please reach down there and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon to notify you when I release new content. Also, let you notified when I go live, when I post things on the community tab, and it'll also help others see my content. But today we're going to get right into it and we're going to talk about this Miguron. I can't pronounce it. Moral, something like that. Guys, I think it's the best budget knife that I've had come across my hands that I've bought from Amazon this year in any category. So it's a little smutsy. Let me get my So, guys, this is a 14C 28N stonewash blade that I put a screaming 17-degree edge on that it took very, very well, sharpened up very nicely. Didn't come from the factory super, super sharp. My specimen didn't. But the G10 handle is what I would consider up to par with Spyderco G10. It's very rich, but it's got a lot of texture, but it doesn't have a lot of that harsh grip. And then you've got a titanium milled pocket clip that works very, very well. This thing goes in and out of pocket effortlessly. One-handed, no issues whatsoever. It's a medium-sized knife. We'll do some size comparisons in just a second, but it's a flipper only, whether you thumb flick it, which I don't like thumb flicks, as you guys know. Middle finger flick it. Slow roll it. It's got that nice pear-shaped hole that I think I mentioned in the unboxing that make it just a joy to be not only a great deployment method, but a very fidgety knife, because that with the combination of the drop shuttiness and the actual drop shuttiness, the flickability of it, and the what's the word I'm looking for, and just the feel of the knife. Because one thing about this knife is that it's a little bit thicker. When we get into dimensions, we'll see that. I'm guessing it's about a ½ inch thick, but again, it flips very well, it drops very well, it just is very stable. It's got no side to side, no up and down, sawn bearings. Very ergonomically designed with no jimping on the blade. So I've got a nice choke up here with just a fantastic sharpening choil. You rarely see sharpening choils done that well, but that one's done very, very well. Got great access to this very, what I consider overbuilt steel liner bar. These liners are sitting, the G10 is sitting proud on the liners, but the liners, compared to a lot of the knives that I see in the budget realm, this knife was $47, guys, are much thinner than this. This, to me, the construction is hands and fists over what I see for the sub $50 price point in this Miguron Moyarl, or however we're going to pronounce that. It'll be in the description. I will leave the description from Amazon with a link. I don't have affiliate links, so if y'all are interested, you can just go to Amazon.com and search for this particular knife that will be in the description. But I think it's a mad win. Let me see if I can grab a piece of PP Digest paper real quickly. Very tall, flat grind. I want to say I sharpened it at 17, which is my preferred angle, but I don't think I went far from what the factory angle was on this. It might have been at 18. Making sure I got that heel. Yeah, it was just I was getting in the choil. But yeah, guys, the Miguron Moyarl, however we want to collectively pronounce that knife, it is a mad win. I can give you a lot of things that are good about it. The only negative that was not even a negative, it's just me nitpicking, is the knife is a little bit thick. However, with it being thick, it feels more substantial in the hand. It does not carry like it's big, but it is, again, a little bit thicker than some of the smaller budget knives that you'll find from, say, it's probably going to be about as thick as a Kubi, and I should have some Kubis out here to compare it to, but I don't. So what we'll do is we'll do some size comparisons with some of our normal knives. But guys, keep in mind, G10, stainless steel, strong liners, 14C 28N, nice stonewash blade. Really seems to be good steel. But let's see how big it is compared to the cold steel Formax. And the Civivi Baby Banter. It is smaller than the cold steel Formax, and it is bigger than the Civivi Baby Banter. So let's look at it next to the Benchmade Bug Out. It's pretty close to the Benchmade Bug Out size, maybe just a sconce smaller. It's going to be considerably smaller than the Paramilitary 2. So let's just break out the Ben Peterson NAFCO ruler, do a couple of quick dimensions. I'll let you guys go. And if I were you, I would go to Amazon and look into this knife. It is a pretty cool knife. 3 1/4 inch on the blade, 4 1/4 on the handle roughly. .53 on the handle, so just over 1/2 inch. And your blade stock is going to be .12 that you're starting with. And then it's going to come down to a really sharp edge, guys, but you know I can never get these edge measurements with any kind of consistency. .018. I don't know if I got that right or not. But anyways, guys, it's a very, very sharp knife. It's a very well designed knife from the cutting geometry standpoint. You can see right here, this is all flat grind. From the spine, you do have this little bit of a 3/4 on the swedge up here. You've got that really nice deployment hole, and just really can't fail it, whether you're thumb flicking it, whether you're finger flicking it, whether you're slow rolling it. It's really your choice. But this knife punches well above its weight. I think I picked it up for $47. If green's not your jam, they also make it in black G10 with a full blacked out blade and black liners. It looked really cool. I just wasn't in, for some reason, the mood for a coated blade. They're both the same price. But guys, I appreciate you stopping by and watching the video. I ask one more time, if you would, please subscribe. Hit that button down below. Helps me in the channel out. If for nothing else, please do it for that. And then come back and watch more videos, guys. I appreciate that you're here. I hope that you look out for the guy or gal to your left. Hope that you look out to the guy or gal to your right. Hope that you continue to look out for each other. Keep loving your heart. Move forward with debate before hate. I love you all. Peace.